Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device and app support custom notification sounds. This matters because formats and locations differ. Once done, pick a short sound clip in MP3, M4A, or WAV. Shorter clips reduce latency and conserve size. Then move the file into the correct folder. On Android, use notifications or app-specific storage. On iOS, include it in the app bundle or use settings for custom tones. Make sure file names are simple so the system finds them reliably. You now assign the sound to the specific notification channel or type. On Android, navigate to Settings Apps Notifications channel, then choose Sound and pick your file. On iOS, go to Settings Sounds and Haptics or Set Per App Tone when supported, selecting the imported tone. Once assigned, adjust volume and priority so it behaves as expected. These options affect Do Not Disturb and lock screen behavior. Finally, test the notification to verify timing and perceived loudness. You finish by thoroughly testing the notification in the app context. Send a real alert and listen for clipping or low level, then trim or normalize the clip if needed. If you hear nothing, make sure permissions, silent mode, and do not disturb are off, and that the file format matches OS requirements. If problems persist, re-add the file or restore the notification channel and reboot the device to clear caches. This simple restart often resolves stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.